Hi guys, welcome back to my part 2 of my Bonfire Night Fireworks Selection 2021. So to start off with, as you can see, we have the Screeching Serpents, which is nicely designed. It's a 100 shot by TNT Fireworks. So this is a screamer. So I will be starting off with this. As you can see, it has an NEC weight of 70 grams. And it is classed as a category 2. Moving forward, we have the smallest of my cakes in my collection. We have the Airstrike by Cosmic Fireworks. As you can see, it is a 12 shot. I do like the packaging on this. So this is also a category F2 and has an NEC weight of 79.2 grams. Here we have Snowflake Avalanche, which is another multi-shot barrage by Skycrafter. Now this is another category F2 cake, which actually consists of 12 shots. As you can see there, here you have a breakdown of the effects and the packaging itself. For these cakes, they're both 2 for 1, which I bought them at. Now these are both produced by Total FX. As you can see, this one is called Black Magic and this one is called Alchemy. Now they both produce 13 shots in each, and they both are classed as category F2 and have both an NEC weight of 103.35 grams. So for my next set, I have Sonic, which I got buy one get one free. These are produced by TNT Fireworks. Now, as you can see, this is classed as category F2, and they both have a total NEC weight of 69.62 grams. Now, they do have crackling tails, up to colour stars, strobes, and a finale, which normally consists of a 3-shot burst. So for my 16 shot individually packaged cakes, I have TNT's Hellcat. So as mentioned, this is a 16 shot category F2, which has a powder weight of 128 grams. Here we have the twin pack called Shock All by TNT. Now in this pack you do get 2 individual cakes. So you have All, which is a 16 shot cake, which is nicely packaged, and it is a category F2 and has a total NEC weight of 100.32 grams. Now moving on to the next cake, Shock. This is a 12 shot cake. It's a little bit more weighty compared to All. Now, as you can see, this is also a category F2, but does have a little bit more NEC weight to it at 150.6 grams. So here we have a nice triangular cake by Cosmic Fireworks called Firestorm. Now, I do like the design of this packaging as it is quite unique, and this consists of 21 shots all in, and is classed as a category F2 with an NEC weight of 140.7 grams. Now we have another cake by Cosmic called Doomsday. This is also a 21 shot cake. As you can see, this is a cubic cake and is a category F2 with an NEC weight of 157.5 grams. Now moving on to my final 4 cakes, we have All Guns Blazing by Hallmark Fireworks. Now as you can see, this is a 32 shot cake and it has an NEC weight of 211.2 grams. and is classed as a category F3. So out of our final 4, we're on to the next one called Conquest, which is created by Primed Pyrotechnics. As you can see, this is a 326.7 gram cake with a burn time of 40 seconds. So our second to last is Fireworks Crazy Mini, which is made by Brothers. Now this cake is 100 shots in total and has a total NEC weight of 345 grams. And it's classed as a category F2. Finally, this will be my finale piece. This is called Nebula, which is produced by Evolution Fireworks. It is a 100 shot cake. As you can see, it is actually extremely heavy. Now this is a category 3 and has an NEC weight of 640 grams in total. So as mentioned in part 1, I did mention I had a selection pack. Now this is the one which I will be using, which is by Black Cat, and it's called Saturn. I do actually have a video breakdown of these fireworks on my channel if you'd like to view that. And in regards to all the fireworks I've shown you, I will leave a link in the description for each of the websites in where I purchased the fireworks from. And I'd really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.